So what do you think we should do for summer? She's just on her iPad playing.
I don't know. Why don't you run to the store and then come back and we'll talk about it?
Hey, you want to go to the store with me? No? How about the mall? Come on, it's summer. We're supposed to go out and have fun. Let's go play. Man, no?
Dear Diary, all my friends are on vacation and I'm just bored. I wish there was something, anything I can do. This is going to be the worst summer ever.
Hey, how's it going? Look what I got. Do you think you might be interested in going and trying out a summer camp? They have all sorts of them. Cool. How was it?
Dear Diary, you are never going to believe it. Today I flew a drone and my new friends played a video game that I created. This is the best summer ever.